Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you could do a latency test in Bandlab. In order to do so, here we are at bandlab.com, and what we're looking for can be found up at the top left-hand corner, the 3-bar menu. If we select that, then under Tools, you will find the latency test. Click on that, and you can see here that you can start the test. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you use our referral code, you can get $50 to open an account, and you can get $125 per referral to refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.